nicely landscaped tri-level in the Sherwood Hills subdivision in Colonial Heights. This home has been recently painted completely on the inside, front porch and steps, except for laundry room, carpets cleaned, and house is ready to move your furniture and clothes. There are 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, eat-in kitchen, formal living/dining rooms on a nicely sized lot that has a great rear yard for parties, children playing, cookouts, etc. The garage has been partially enclosed with a wall that can be removed very easily so that you can have that 1.5 front load garage. Sellers are offering a home warranty and closing assistance.